Russia's military has been ordered to pull out of the Ukrainian city of Kherson, the only regional capital it captured after invading in February. The withdrawal means Russian forces will pull out entirely from the western bank of the river Dnipro. The reasons cited by Russia's commander in Ukraine, General Sergei Surovikin, for the withdrawal is that it was no longer possible for Russia to keep supplying the city. Surovikin claims that Ukrainian forces are attacking schools, hospitals, and civilians in Kherson who have been evacuated to the other side of the Dnipro River. Defending the occupied territory on the west bank of Kherson had become increasingly difficult for the Russians as Ukrainian forces disabled bridges across the Dnipro and attacked Russian supply lines. However, Kyiv was skeptical about the move, and an analyst warned that this could be a ruse to lure the country's forces into a deadly trap. Ukrainian authorities cautioned against considering the announced plan to retreat from Kherson, a gateway to the Russian-occupied Crimean Peninsula and the nearby areas, as a done deal. Actions speak louder than words. We see no signs that Russia is leaving Kherson without a fight, Mikhail Podolyak, an advisor in the office of the president, tweeted. President Volodymyr Zelensky has warned that the Russians are feigning a pullout from Kherson to lure the Ukrainian army into an entrenched battle in the strategic industrial port city. The order came at a meeting in Moscow between Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu and the commander of Russian forces in Ukraine, General Sergei Surovikin, as Ukrainian forces approached the city from two directions. The withdrawal can prove to be a significant blow as Russia faces a Ukrainian counter-offensive, and it would mark one of Russia's worst setbacks in the 8-month-old war. Russian forces captured Kherson early in the invasion, which began on February 24th. Kyiv's forces have zeroed in on the city, whose pre-war population was 280,000, and cut off supply lines in recent weeks as part of a larger counter-offensive in eastern and southern Ukraine that has pushed Russian troops out of a wide swath of territory. The move was also welcomed by many in Ukraine, particularly on social media, with some finding humor in the withdrawal. Finally, the pattern emerging in this war is that every time Russia suffers a major military setback, it responds by further punishing the civilian population. Expect more missiles and drone strikes to make winter for Ukrainians as miserable as possible.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.